Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to cook roast pork in the oven, and we're going to put it in a roaster like you use to make turkey. Okay, so one of the things that I want to point out is we want to cook it slow, because the purpose of putting it in the roasting pan is has a cover on it, and so all that heat and steam will lock in there to help tenderize the pork. So remember, you cook a roast pork between 145 and 160. Okay, so we'll test that out, but for sure we're going to be cooking it over an hour. We'll start with an hour, and then I'll check the temperature, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so I want to thank you in advance for all the help that you've given me, and all the new people who have subscribed. And you guys, you just love the fried cabbage. I love fried cabbage too, and I'm asking you, can we share the word and tell everybody to check out my fried cabbage video? I'm trying to get to 1 million views on that video alone, and I know you can help me because you've helped me thus far. I also have some links below. I have an Amazon link, a GoFundMe link, and a Patreon link. Okay, please feel free to check those out, and if you would like to participate, I welcome that as well. Okay, so let's get started, shall we? I can't wait to give you the word of the day today. Okay, hang in there. Okay, so this is the roast pork. It actually was twice as long. I paid $8 for one roast pork, and I had them to cut it in half for me, so that each piece I paid $4 for. This is $4 worth. And we're going to season it up. We're going to be using some black pepper, and we're going to season it on all sides. Ground garlic, some adobo, and some Larry seasoning. So you can see I'm really bringing the seasonings here. A lot of seasonings. Okay, so now I'm going to flip that over and do this side. Same process. Let me wash my hands. Okay. Adobo, garlic, black pepper, and some Larry seasonings. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to score it. Scoring is you just take the knife and you just run it one way, and then you're going to turn the meat and you run it the opposite way, okay? So that you have like lines. It looks like maybe diamonds or squares. Okay, and now I want to add some vinegar. Any vinegar you have is okay. Okay, you know, vinegar goes good with pork. So I'm just going to pour that on there, and then I'm going to flip it over into my roasting pan. This is my roasting pan. So now I'm going to flip it over so that that scores, the side that I scored is on the bottom. And now I'm going to score the top. the top I already did lines one way. Now I'm going to do it the opposite way. Okay, great. Make sure you make them deep enough so that that vinegar can get down in there. Oh, what a flavor. Okay. Okay, now we're going to pour the vinegar over it so that it goes down in the scored area of the roast. Okay? And by the way, I did oil the bottom of my pan already with some olive oil. That's perfect. That's just for the cleanup, guys. Okay? Alright, so we get it all in there and we're good to go. We can put our cover on it. This is our cover. I'm going to put that in the oven on 350 and we're going to check the temperature in 1 hour, okay? And we'll be back in 1 hour, okay? Of course, for you it's minutes, but really in real time it's 1 hour, okay? I'll be back. Thank you. Okay, guys. Our pork roast is out. Look at that. And the temperature went to 157. Okay, how about that? And you see how when you do the scoring, how it comes out like a design? Isn't it nice? You like that? Okay. Let me get a thumbnail. Gotta get that. There you go, YouTube family. How about that, huh? Roast pork. Wow. And that cooked in the oven actually for an hour. Okay, it didn't take longer than an hour. And I'm very pleased with the end results. So let me take a piece. Okay, I have a piece here. Very tender. Guys, anytime you want to have your meat tender, and especially if it's a piece of meat like pork, you know, pork can be tough at times, right? Put it in your roasting pan, the roasting pan that you put your turkey in, and that will lock that steam in and tenderize that. You'll be very, very pleased. Okay? Okay, so here's the word of the day. Thanksgiving is coming up. This is now October, and then after that is November, Thanksgiving, right? So start thinking about things that you may want to cook for your Thanksgiving meal. And maybe you have some questions that I can answer, okay? That's the word of the day. Start thinking about your Thanksgiving meal and any questions you have for Grandma Ray. Put that down in the comment section and I'll get back to you on that, okay? Alright, check out the links below. Be a Patreon giver if you like for $4 a month, or participate in the GoFundMe. Now you know I have the $25 drawing coming up on the 15th of this month, and that will be for anyone that have participated in a GoFundMe and anyone that have a active Patreon account on my channel. Okay? Alright, so I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.